Hey, what's up? Jupiter here. Welcome to Tech Buzz. Last year, I was the first person to unbox the IdeaPad Duet 7 2021, which was Lenovo's version of the Microsoft Surface Pro. This year, the Duet series 2-in-1 convertibles have been moved to a different lineup. Please meet the new Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5i, also known as the Xiaoxin Duet 2022. Before we start the unboxing, let's first take a look at the specifications. The IdeaPad Duet 5i is the first convertible to feature the 12th generation Alder Lake Intel Core processors. You can choose between the Intel Core i5-1235U and the Intel Core i7-1255U SoC. There's also up to 16 gigs DDR5 dual-channel memory, 512 gigs SSD, which is PCIe 4.0x4. Since this ultrabook/tablet hasn't been released yet, the unit that I received is an engineering model. Lenovo told me there wouldn't be any more changes in terms of design, but the retail package will probably include different accessories. Inside the box I have found an IdeaPad Duet 5i tablet with the keyboard cover already attached. Unlike the Microsoft Surface Pro, Lenovo doesn't sell the keyboard separately, so you don't have to pay extra money for it. Lenovo has also included a 100-watt power adapter in my review package. I was quite surprised to see such a bulky power brick for an ultrabook this thin, so I consulted them and was told that the retail version would ship with a much smaller 65-watt gallium nitride power adapter. These are all the things I found in the package which Lenovo sent me. The IdeaPad Duet 5i looks a little smaller than last year's IdeaPad Duet 7, mainly because its screen has been trimmed down from 13.3 inches to 12.4 inches. Its bezels are also thinner. The front of the IdeaPad Duet 5i is almost all screen. When the display is off, it looks completely black, which is very beautiful. The Slate has two multifunction Type-C ports. Both of them are hosted on the left side. They both support pretty fast charging of up to 65 watts and a video output of up to 4K 60Hz. There are two buttons on the right side, a power standby key and a volume rocker. You can also find a 3.5mm headphone jack. The tablet has dual speakers and supports Dolby Atmos. The entire system is actively cooled, so we can find lots of vents on the top side. Like most convertibles, the magnetic keyboard connector is on the bottom side. The kickstand here is very similar to the one on the Surface Pro. It can open up to 135 degrees. The hinge looks identical to the one on last year's IdeaPad Duet 7. It's pretty robust and durable. From my experiences with the IdeaPad Duet 7, the hinge will survive a fair amount of reasonable abuse. The keyboard cover of the IdeaPad Duet 5i is very thin, but the keys still have decent travel and the right amount of tactile feedback. The touchpad is quite large, so you have plenty of area to use all kinds of gestures. The back of the keyboard cover is again fabric. It definitely looks stunning, but it can get dirty easily if you are a reckless user, and once it does, it will be extremely difficult to clean. I've always been very careful when I was using my IdeaPad Duet 7, so the fabric on its keyboard cover is still quite clean after more than a year. The keyboard of Lenovo's 2-in-1 convertibles is superior to the Surface type cover because it has a battery inside. You can still connect to the tablet via Bluetooth after they are detached. There's a switch on the side of the keyboard for you to turn on the Bluetooth connectivity and activate the pairing mode. The retail package will also include a pen, which supports 4096 degrees of pressure. If you love to draw or take handwritten notes, it's going to be very useful. There are two physical buttons on the pen for you to activate different functions, and this shape on the end keeps the pen from rolling off the table. When you are not using this pen, you can also attach it to the bottom of the tablet. It's not really the best design in the world, because that's where the keyboard connector is. The IdeaPad Duet 5i tablet is as thin as the smartphone. It weighs 839 grams on its own, and a little less than 1.2 kilograms with the keyboard attached, making it extremely portable. The keyboard will attach to the tablet automatically when the two connectors are near each other, and once the two are physically connected, they won't easily break apart. Okay, that's all for today's unboxing. I'm currently working on a full review of this convertible. If you wish to know more about it, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.